क्यों इंक्वायरी नहीं होती? सर, आप इरिगेशन की बात करते हैं सर. Sir, I have the records, and earlier I have also spoken about the same gentleman who everybody is understanding who am I speaking about. Sir, this gentleman was allotted the painting of government school contract also. Yes. By who? The BRS. Sir, this same gentleman was also allotted furniture for government schools. Sir, I run schools, sir, I provide 20,000 children a free education. I have benches, I took benches, a same size of bench, which I took for 3,000. I was going it and I was seeing, sir, that gentleman was given a contract for the same length and breadth, same number of seater for 15,000. 15,000. We can imagine, sir, if the barrage has gone, if anything has happened wrong in the irrigation projects, why are we not holding them responsible also, sir? Why are we not handing over their irregularities also to CBI, sir? I know they are very close to them. CBI might not do justice, but at least we can have an inquiry, sir. We can expose them. We can say that what corrupt practice they indulged in. Sir, the same contractor, sir, I remember, sir. The same contractor, I remember, sir. Sir, I was seeing Uttam Kumar Reddy साहब presentation, पूरा सारी चीजें देखा साहब. पानी रखने के लिए जगह नहीं है, मगर सारी दूसरे चीजें तो है सर उसमें, क्योंकि पैसा था उसमें, आना था. Sir, the same thing happened, sir. When Mr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy साहब was there, sir, गोदावरी waters हैदराबाद के लिए लाने की बात करें सर. सर, वो जो सर पानी यहां है, तो पानी यहां है तो यहां से ऐसा लाइन जाना है ना सर, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता. नहीं सर, पानी आपके पास था, लाइन वहां से शुरू हुई थी सर. आई रेज्ड इट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो. द सेम कॉन्ट्रैक्टर, इट वॉज बिगिनिंग फॉर हिम देन. ही वॉज अ स्ट्रगलिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्टर देन. राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब का हाथ था, फिर वो हाथ के बाद में केसीआर साहब का, फिर उसके बाद में चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब, माफ करना बोलूंगा, आप बोलेंगे क्या बोल रहे हैं अकबर साहब, आप मेरे दोस्त हैं. आप जिसको बड़े भाई बोले उनका हाथ था. उनका हाथ, सबके हाथों के साथ एक कॉन्ट्रैक्टर. मैं सर, थ्रू यू सर, आई रिक्वेस्ट माई लर्नेड फ्रेंड, माई गुड फ्रेंड, अ कोलीग who I respect a lot, who I look upon a lot, because he is my senior also. I have learned from him also, Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy साहब. Sir, kindly don't be close to such people, sir. You should write and give it from your ministry to the Honorable Chief Minister. We do not want such contractors. It is very important, sir. They are minting money, sir. No. आप परेशान मत होइए साहब. आप परेशान मत होइए. नहीं, आप परेशान मत होइए. आपको शेरवानी पहनने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. आपको पहनने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. सिर्फ आप एक ही काम करो. मैं इनको एक ही बात बोलूंगा सर, हिंदुत्व के चैंपियंस है. अगर मैं तो शेरवानी पहनने में फख्र महसूस करता हूं. माथे पे तिलक लगा के आ जाओ सर, बहुत टाइम देते, लगा के आ जाओ. शेरवानी मत पहनो. शेरवानी पहने तो क्या बोलेंगे, एमआईएम की बी टीम बोलेंगे आपको. वो मत पहनो. हमारे को बोलते हैं बी टीम बोल के, अब उसके बाद बोलेंगे हाँ ये तेलंगाना बीजेपी एमआईएम की बी टीम में बोलेंगे. सर आप जा ठहरो सर. Sir, kindly give me some time, sir. I am not wasting time, sir. Sir, I sat here, I saw the PowerPoint presentation, I did my study, I prepared my note, I have come back, sir. And I don't think I am wasting the time, I am giving some good suggestions, sir. Sir, it is also almost 3 decades that we have been talking about Krishna water sharing dispute. Firstly with Karnataka, in United AP and with residuary Andhra Pradesh ever since the formation of Telangana state in 2014. The issue of raising of height of Alamatti Dam on river Krishna by Karnataka figured in the house for many occasions in 1995, sir. I remember, sir, when Mr. Janardhan Reddy was the leader of the Congress legislature party, sir, at that time, he had fought, sir. Sir, I would say, sir, without any hesitation, sir, it was due to the failure of the then AP Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu that the Karnataka succeeded in raising the height of Alamatti Dam, thereby causing harm to the riparian interest of AP and now Telangana, sir. When he was the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, we lost our rights, sir. And now, after the bifurcation of the state, now he is again taking and snatching away the rights of the share of the state of Telangana, sir. Sir, the height of the Alamatti Dam controversy, Mr. Naidu Saab got the then Karnataka Chief Minister. I'll give a small history, sir, why I say this. Why I say this, sir? Sir, the height of Alamatti Dam, Naidu Saab got the then Karnataka Chief Minister, H.D. Deve Gowda, elevated as Prime Minister of the United Front government in 1996 with the support of Congress led by former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao and the TDP on the other parties. And the then PM Deve Gowda constituted a committee of 4 chief ministers chaired by West Bengal Chief Minister Jyoti Basu to resolve the interstate dispute among Maharashtra, Karnataka and AP over Alamatti Dam issue. Even as, this is a history, sir, even as Jyoti Basu committee and 4 members expert committee were looking into the issue, the Karnataka government under the Janata Dal CM J.H. Patel illegally continued the construction of Alamatti Dam on war footing for raising the height of dam for 519.6 meters to 525.25 meters for impounding higher quantum of water. Incidentally, United AP government took the dispute over Alamatti Dam to Supreme Court but could not get any relief, sir. Pronouncing the judgment in the original suit 2 of 1997, the other writ petitions between State of AP versus State of Karnataka and others on 25th April 2000, the 5-member bench of Supreme Court, headed by Justice S.B. Majumdar, dismissed and disposed the original suit and other petitions without giving any relief to the Andhra Pradesh, sir. Subsequently, the Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal 2, headed by Brijesh Patel, upheld its award of 2010 by raising the height of Alamatti Dam from 519.60 meters to 525.26 meters, sir. So whose failure was this, sir? Who's responsible for this? This also needs to be brought to the notice of the people of the state of Telangana, sir. So the KWDT2 asked the Government of India to appoint Krishna Water Division Implementation Board giving representation to Karnataka, Maharashtra and AP as well as Government of India. Pronouncing the judgment in original suit number 1 2006, other writ petitions and contempt petition between the state of AP versus state of Maharashtra and others 20th February 2013, 3-judge bench of Supreme Court headed by Justice R.M. Lodha dismissed and disposed the original suit and other petition without giving any relief to AP. Sir, I can point out that the story of irrigation projects in erstwhile United Andhra Pradesh and now Telangana state is a sad story of broken promises, loop-sided priorities, clumsy implementation and prolonged delays and manifold cost escalation and financial loot in the irrigation sector, sir. Is a financial loot, I would say, sir. Sir, I feel very sad, sir, when our farmers are suffering, when the students are suffering for scholarship, when our finances are in a very bad shape. Our state is struggling, I know, sir. We are in debt, sir. हम कर्ज में डूबे हुए हैं, लेकिन सर इरिगेशन के प्रोजेक्ट्स लेने वाले सारे कॉन्ट्रैक्टरों की ईद रहती है, मौज रहती है, मस्ती रहती है, सर. It is very sad state, sir. So the TDP government and the Chief Minister N.T. Rama Rao and Chandrababu Naidu launched